YouTube? It's Amari from Amari TV, and today I have something very special for you. No, this isn't a vlog. No, this isn't a gaming video. Today I have something very special. This is Amari TV's very first tech review. Now people may be asking, what are you gonna review? Well, I'll tell you. It is the Symphonized natural rolled-in headphones. So this is the packaging, and as you can see, once you get past the scary face on the front and back, you'll be just fine. So let's just open these babies up. So inside you get a little thank you card from Symphony and the website you bought it from, whether it's like Amazon. This one came from Amazon, so not sponsored. And here's the headphones. So you get two extra earbud replacements, and the color I chose was a red, but you could choose a variety of like 5 different colors, I think. And these headphones are the best thing I've used in a really long time. I buy headphones that are like $40, $50, maybe even $60. I mean, come on. Headphones shouldn't cost that much. So, these are different. These are cheap, but they are so worth it at the end. So let's just open this up. And I cannot open the package. So we have some scissors. I'm just gonna open it up right now. Okay, that's that side. And that's that side. Okay, so we should be good to go. Okay, so I'm going to slide it out of the package just like this. Oh, by the way, your earbuds also come with a pouch to carry everything in. The earbuds itself, some cords, and some different size earplugs in different colors. Plus, in the baggie, it comes with this little clip that you stick onto it. And the color I chose was red. And these are pretty cool, I must say. So yeah. And these the brand these are, this one does not come with the built-in controls on it. It just has a mic, but these are still pretty cool. And I really like the color red for these, and these are so cool. Oh wait, so it does have one button. It has a pause and play button, depending on, and you could also do Siri or whatever computer assistant service you have on your phone. But here's a look at the end of the earbuds. It's like a molasses color on the ends of the earbuds, and as you can see, it's like wooden engraved. I have another pair. They're like a lighter brown, but these are their darker pair. And as you can see, here's the mic with the one button in the middle. And as we go down, we see the mic plug-in cord, which happens to be around like a plastic protector, so that way So that way, earbuds usually break at the end because they don't have something to protect the end of the mic, of the mic plug, but these do. And for a price like this, the sound quality on these are amazing. I have to tell you, the quality of these are amazing. So, like I said, pouch comes with everything in it. And once you're done using the earbuds, I highly recommend keeping all your replacements and everything in that pouch, so that way it does not get lost. So here's all the extra tips that come in it. I'm going to put it in the sack. So yeah, and these earbuds have a really great bass, surprisingly, for the price point they are, and the all around just a great experience. And then this is a really cool technique on how to wrap your earbuds. You go like this, then you stop it right here and you wrap it around. So just gonna do that and just wrap it around. And so, boom. It goes in right about here. Okay, so that part's done. So, leave in the comments below, what are your favorite type of earbuds? And if I like it, I might review it for next, for the video I'll do next time for our tech review. But that's it. Like, subscribe to Marshall TV. If we get 20 likes on this video, I'll be amazed. Cause these, come on, you have to give the likes for your boy, Amari, from Marshall TV. And the earbuds, you cannot compete with the earbuds. The earbuds are the best thing you ever purchase, and they do not break easy. So I highly recommend buying these for your kids, your nieces, your nephews, pretty much anybody. And these will never break, so you have long time satisfaction with these earbuds. I mean, come on, it cannot get any better than that. Anyway, I will see you later. Like and subscribe to Marshall TV. And if you're not, press the bell notification so you get all of my new videos. I mean, come on. It's that simple. So anyway, I will see you guys next time. Peace.